So first time for the Gordini for 2023 to see if it starts. Special preparations, 2 new rubber bands on the fuel pump, charge the battery in the winter, special hat. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I know, I need a staffel for this, what do you call it, proper holder. I most definitely have a sticking brake. It's only a matter of which one, but I can feel it. It is dragging, but yeah, it needs to go to a MOT as well, so I have to figure that out anyway. But it started okay. It has this automatic choke that makes it a bit tricky, but yeah. I'm having a bit of a spring meeting just by myself today. I don't know how many vehicles you have to take out in order to justify that you're going to a meet, but yeah. Engine wise, I think we're happy. Brake wise, not so happy.